Hey y'all, welcome back to the Everytime show. Here we are, plasticed up, ready to pattern this ceiling. So we got everything ready to go. We got wide tape up here, 2 rows, right off the ceiling line, all the way around the perimeter. Even back there in that little cubby. Went ahead and put it over the go board just to not let anything adhere. So we're going to get this patterned up with this guy right here. It's a really cool pattern. We already got our mud ready to go. We're going to use a paintbrush right here in the corners. We will show you. We're going to pop a pretty pattern in this guy. Alright, so look, check it out. All we did was put a thin, even coat, okay? So Tom got up here with the brush to get tight to the wall. What I'm doing right now is I'm coming away, making this smooth. Once I have that smooth, then I'm gonna follow this all the way down. What we're looking for is a consistent flow of mud, which is why we put it up here with a roller. So just watch. Once that's nice and consistent, looks good, and you can tell, well, you might not be able to tell in the camera, but we use this here on the plastic, just a little cheat sheet. If this starts to build up on here, we get it right off, get it super thin. First thing you want to do is come out from your corner, just like that. We're going to do the same thing down here. And all I'm doing is light pressure, that's it. And the beautiful thing about this pattern right here, there's no pressing, there's no stomping, all that. You can overlap. You can stop right in the middle of a flow, pick back up, it'll pick that pattern right back up. Now we're just going to walk this right over here like this. Overlap slightly. Like I said, you can come the other way. Now, all that's consistent, pretty, all of it's level, same shape. That's how we go about getting our sealants. Okay, so this is the last of it over here. I wanted to show you this last part. See how I'm pushing up, messing up this pattern. I'm floating it right in it, but it's paper thin. So I went this way to apply the mud. Now I'm reversing that to get all this even. Just like this. Then I'm going to switch over. Thank you. And I'm going to do this perimeter first. Pop that right into that guy. See how well that blends? Just like that. And then I'm going to go down. Just like that. So, if you end up, like I said, if you push that over correctly, you shouldn't see anything because of how thin it's meeting up with the other section. But this is exactly what we're looking for. We're going to let all this harden. The pattern's in there. It's very pretty. And tomorrow we will come back in here with a 12-inch knife and just kind of run it across the top here to get any of these dangling icicles, anything like that, and it'll be ready to paint. It's a messy job. Till the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.